As anger surges through the Muslim world over French President Emmanuel Macron's recent comments on Islam, protesters continue to rally against him in Pakistan and Bangladesh. India has, however, come out in support of Macron, whom Pakistan and Turkey have targeted for strongly defending the French people's right to freedom of expression.
Protesters in Pakistan on Wednesday rallied against French President Emmanuel Macron as anger continued to surge through the Muslim world over his recent comments on Islam. In Karachi, near the French consulate, protesters from Pakistan's major Islamist party, Jamaat-e-Islami, chanted slogans. Police erected barricades and blocked the street leading to the consulate. In Lahore city, scores of protesters angry over perceived ineffective role of the OIC, Organization of Islamic Cooperation, in the dispute, burned a mock coffin bearing the organization's initials.
मुहीन रिसालत चाहे वो किसी भी पैगंबर की रसूल पाक सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम समेत उसको जो है वो दहशतगर्दी करार देना चाहिए। चौथी बात हम ये कहना चाहते हैं कि हम अपने हुक्मरानों से कहते हैं कि फ्रांसीसी तमाम जितने भी सफ़ीर हैं इन सबको मुल्क बदर किया जाए और फ्रांसीसी मसनूआत का बायकॉट किया जाए। हुकूमत की सतह पर यह काम होगा तो मौसर तरीन होता चला जाएगा, वरना अवाम तो अपनी सतह पर यह सारा काम कर रहे हैं।
Similar scenes were also witnessed in Bangladesh, where protesters in capital Dhaka burned the effigy of Macron on Wednesday as anger seethes over Khartoum Row. Hundreds of people took part in a rally outside the Baitul Mukarram National Mosque as they held anti-France and anti-Macron banners and chanted. Macron's tough stand on radical Islam and defending cartoons of the Prophet Muhammad has angered many Muslims and led to widespread protests. His comments came in the backdrop of the beheading of French teacher Samuel Paty on October 16 after he had shown caricatures of the Prophet Muhammad to his students. In a rare move, India, however, came out in support of French president and has issued a statement condemning the personal attacks against him over his stand on Islam and radicalism.